So we have some key terms here that we want to kind of focus on within this discovery phase or this research phase. Starting off with setting goals. How is this piece providing value to your users and to your business? Like, think about the user and what they would want from this experience. And additionally, think about what this content does and accomplishes for your business. Is this a piece of content that's missing from our drip campaign? Or is it I don't know, an event piece that we need to send out before something? Up next, we have audience. So think, who is this piece of content for and why is it valuable to them? Is this for someone who knows nothing about your products and services and are looking for something that's high level and quick? Or is it for someone who is a seasoned pro and needs something very specific? And we have key messaging. What are the main points that you're trying to convey? So make sure that you familiarize yourself with the information that you have and determine what you can highlight or even include within your experience overall. Up next is measuring success. What have you outlined as the metrics for success for your experience? So are we looking at time on page? Are we looking for lead generation? Are we trying to get people to download a full report? These questions can be super helpful when determining how and even where to include your CTAs. And then finally, we have emotion. How do you want your audience to feel? Like, this is more so related to the connection that your audience makes directly with the experience individually, and it can also reflect on your brand as a whole. So it can influence the different types of content that you create, how it can look, and even the information that you include within the individual experiences.